Hello and welcome to 3DI. A powerful thumbnail search tool allows you to quickly and visually search for events in large segments of video. There are two ways to access this tool. First, from the Event Grid menu, or using the camera toolbar. Each thumbnail represents a time interval. The thumbnail's picture is the first frame from this interval. For example, to find out when Bob came to work, first identify a thumbnail with his car. Then click on the previous thumbnail to gradually reduce the time interval until you find the exact moment you're looking for. Once the time interval between thumbnails is just a few seconds, a play symbol will appear. Next, click on the thumbnail will initiate a playback from this moment. Playback can also be started at any time interval using the timestamp under the thumbnail. If you miss the time interval range, use the keyboard's left and right arrows to navigate to previous or following time intervals. To expand the time interval shown, click on the timestamp for the interval of interest. You can change the date and camera, as well as the size of the thumbnails. An orange bell with a number indicates the number of recognized events during the specified time. Thank you for watching our tutorial.